Here I have LG K22, and today I'm going to show you how to check your IMEI number and serial number of this device. So first method for this operation, you can just open your phone, you can open keyboard on it and enter the secret code, which is *#06#, and here you can see your IMEI 1, IMEI 2 and also a serial number. And the second method, you can just open settings, then at the bottom you find this about phone section, enter it, and here you can find IMEI slot 1, IMEI slot 2, and in model and hardware section you can find your serial number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.